and come out and I got up and started. What the fuck are you gonna do?
Yo, you get your money? Are you throwing 20s on the ground?
Good, you gonna fuck with me?
Let's just go grab a cab.
Really?
Let's grab a cab. Let's grab a cab.
Yeah, give me a cab.
You okay?
Fuck.
Why are you throwing money, dude? Go, if you're gonna throw money, throw it at him.
You gonna fuck with me? Get out your car and fuck with me if you're gonna fuck with me. If you think you're gonna fuck with me, get on the camera and fuck with me. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yo, get a cab. The cab's coming.
No, fucking fuck with me, motherfucker. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. No more to sleep. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, motherfucker. Go ahead. Go ahead! What you got, bitch? I'll bury all my two nephews, bitch! Yeah, call the cops. Call the cops.